Good everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Welcome to another phase of manipulating or should we call it maxing an image into a phone. Yeah, we're maxing, I guess, waterfall, yes, into a phone. Okay, this is getting a bit interesting. Really simple, but don't forget, always tricky. So to get deep or to dive into what we have, kindly click on the like button if you have not done that, and kindly subscribe if you have not done that. Okay, to do this, I'm not going to be wasting much of your time or much of your data or anything, so let's go deep into this. So firstly, let's bring in the visual element. Okay, firstly, we have a phone. Okay, and we have the background of what we want to use. Okay, 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 so the background first, make it big, make it big. Okay, no, this is not really the background. Okay, yes, the background first. So this is the background to back. So don't forget, when you're designing, bring what okay, sorry. Okay, so this is what I want to replicate. So just reduce it one side so you can have idea and see what you are trying to do. Okay, so this is the background. Okay, it's back so we can see the hand. So this is it. So this is the phone. Yes. So what do we do here? We have been maxing since all these days, but here we are not masking. We are just going to remove the background. Just follow my first step. So firstly, this one I want to remove the background of the screen of the phone. So come to erase, click on this, come to this side, and once you choose black and mark it, yeah, it's gone. You can just increase this a small. So that is done. Oh, can you see that the black is removing this place? So let's reduce it. So it's okay, guys. Okay, so now we have this. What do we do next? How do we make the water come out without using mask? Okay, very simple, just as a simple trick, and this is the trick I use. Okay, so just don't forget the real image, the image which is this. The image, you take it to any app that can help you to remove the background. So once you take it there, this is what you get. The app helps you to remove the background and leave this for you. So this is what you get. Then I guess some people already getting the tricks now, so then you just set it on it. That's it. Use opacity. This is it. Its name is perfect. So you want to shift it small. Okay. It's too big. Perfect. So increase the opacity. Yeah, so this is it. So this is it. So the water, you want to just follow this step. Come to eraser and clean. Okay, click on the water. Come to eraser. Increase and clean the top. That's the top and mark it. So you have cleaned it. Just bring this one like this. Can you see it? Wow. Okay, Okay, let's lock this water so because it's disturbing us. So this one, I want to increase it and bring it like this. Wow, that's it. So manipulation deals with clearance, like we don't want people to see that okay, this is the way I did. So this place now is trying to show that I want to show small. What do? You just come to eraser. Sorry, click on this, unlock, come to eraser, and then you erase it down also. Erase the down place, the down part, and this is it. You see, it's not really showing anymore. Wow, so this is it. Yeah, I've come to the end of this video. I guess, yeah, you really get it. Okay, if you have not liked, kindly click on the like button, and if you have not subscribed, please kindly do that. Thank you for watching.